Put your hands behind your back.
What the
What did we do?
She's selecting more clothes to bring there. She's gonna bring back another pair of clothes to the film.
So they just keep bringing more items back to the chick in the fitting room?
Yeah.
You guys recognize these fitting rooms?
They've been here before. December, I was chasing like 2 of them. They dropped the stuff and they run, I couldn't do nothing, That's why when I see them today, I just let them know. Yeah, they see me, but
They're still gonna go. I said, and they're still gonna go.
yeah,
On April 20th, 2025, 3 young women were arrested for coordinated retail theft in Boynton Beach, Florida, with total merchandise value of $35.10.
They go left, they're coming this way, right?
Yeah. They're at a lane right now.
I'm 11.
They're going to that side.
The eastern?
Yeah, the pharmacy side. They're facing that direction, but I don't know if they're not. Yeah, they came into that door. Yeah.
Because they're kind of midway, right? Yeah.
Advise Bravo 13. It looks like they might be heading out the pharmacy exit. Anyway, you see him? Yeah. Put your hands behind your back.
What the
Put your hands behind your back.
What did we do? Wait. What the heck? I didn't do nothing. Wait. What the heck? I didn't do I didn't say I'm getting arrested. Wait, my phone.
Chill out.
Wait, hold on. I need to call somebody.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Relax your hands.
Okay, I'm relaxing.
Here, give me your phone.
Wait, can you call somebody? Wait, hold on. Wait, I need to call my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend can wait.
Wait, am I? Hold on.
Hey, chill out.
Okay, can I get my? Why the f is her recording?
Stop. Relax your arms.
Oh my God.
Like you said, you're being detained for suspicion of retail theft, alright? Yeah.
You were like, no, why is she recording me? But like, she's already hard. What? Like, I'm already hard. Why did she calm down? All because you was. Bro, I didn't even touch nothing. You were trying to buy brake pads for their car. What? I'm trying to chill, officer, but why was she recording me though? Like, is she allowed to do that?
It's a free country. You're going to record whoever you want.
No, that's not true. I ain't give her.
That's true. It's under the First Amendment. Freedom of speech. It includes pictures and video in public area.
I'm not trying to start no problem. I'm just already mad. Like, I was on the phone.
Yeah, it's not you. You look pretty heated.
I was mad as fuck.
Hey, did you advise 3 detained or not? Okay. Bravo.
Why they laughing? Oh my God, it's so embarrassing. Sorry, I can't. Well, if I end up on TikTok, I'm gonna be mad. I'll be mad. They're so weird. Can I send it to my
Have a seat next to it.
Yeah. Huh?
You have a seat right here.
You want me to go get this one?
I'm gonna say.
What did they say?
I need the stuff in the bag she had. The phone
Wait,
she
I
had.
think the girl with
The black
gray.
person, the gray shirt.
They
It's
put
black.
stuff in her bag. She has a phone case, which is this one.
No, it's the other one.
Whichever one it was.
Oh, I ain't taking it. I don't care.
That one's my one. It's
yeah.
the purple one.
Wait, hold on. Y'all going through my stuff. What the heck? I mean, you just let them. What the f is that? Oh, air freshener.
And then the phone case. I'll see which
This
color.
is the phone case? Okay. You have to do like in front of everybody.
Bro, now my main will think I'm lying about getting arrested. But
What you talking about?
All three of you?
Yeah.
They're still doing their investigation, seeing whether or not they want to prosecute, okay?
Alright.
I'm Officer Fenner with the Boynton Beach Police Department. I'm going to read you your rights, okay?
Wait, time out. That's my. That means we're going to jail if you're reading the rights?
Not sure yet. We haven't gotten to that.
Oh, wait, can I see my... Wait, we can't see our phones or nothing?
Yeah, just hold on a
You
second.
took my Apple, I thought it was alright.
Hold on a second. All right. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that make sense to you?
Everything, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what does that mean? Like, as in, as in what?
Hey.
Like,
Given that you guys were just read your rights, you understand your rights that were read to you?
Yeah.
wait,
Okay.
yeah,
That being said, do you want to talk to us?
fine.
Well, you have to answer if you want. You don't have to. Right?
Oh,
If you
but
wanna
okay,
talk
that's
to
what
us-
that means. I mean,
Yeah,
that's
yeah, go
fine.
ahead.
I
You wanna
don't
talk to
mind.
us?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Did you guys take anything that didn't belong to you?
If it's that serious, we'll buy it.
Yeah,
If it's that serious, we'll
that's
pay for
fine.
it if they want us to do that.
Okay. So
But I get what you're saying. Like, we shouldn't have
here's
did
the thing.
it.
So it's not a question of is it that serious. It's theft.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's understood.
It doesn't belong to you.
Yeah.
You can't take things that don't belong to you. Retail theft is still retail theft. It's not a question of, oh, it's just this, it's just that. That's not yours.
Yeah.
Right? It's not your right to take it. It's a crime. You can be taken to jail for that. Are you an adult? Are you 18? Okay. So you can go to county jail for
yeah.
Gorilla Glue. Like, is it really worth it? Right? You guys gotta make smarter decisions. You see these cameras? These are like 4K, 8K, 12K, whatever they're up to now. They can literally track every single movement and zoom in onto your nose ring. Right? And that's what that guy does all day, every day. He tracks people that look suspicious, okay? And take this job.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, officer is going to search all of you. Honesty goes a long way. When she searches you, is there going to be anything on your person that doesn't belong to you?
Oh wait. Hold on. I still got Aquaphor in my purse.
You still got what?
Aquaphor in my purse.
What is that?
Oh, like the Vaseline. Vaseline. Yeah.
You have
Oh,
one
wait,
on your
no,
person?
I do have a shirt in my purse. That's it.
Yeah, I forgot. I ain't gonna lie.
That's it, just a shirt.
Anything on your body that you didn't pay for?
No, you
didn't
can take me
pay
after
for
that.
the shirt,
Yeah, after that.
I'm gonna have you stand up. Turn away from me. They she got a Vaseline and one got a short.
She got Aquaphor, not Vaseline.
Yeah,
she got
Aquaphor.
Aquaphor.
No, you can take it off.
Hooks of what?
Yeah, it's all got the pink hair.
God.
Yeah, dang. Girl.
They got the searchlight, got the
Yeah, the does be smart.
Only the wig.
Yeah.
He's just going to know who's
Your
up.
bra.
Yeah,
What's
I got
that?
2 of them.
I gotta pee so bad.
Not that one. Not that one. That's mine.
Oh, what do you mean? This is yours?
Oh, no, that's the
That's the
other.
other.
That's
It's brand new.
Yours is at home. Yours is at home. Wait, why am I getting charged if I didn't get nothing?
All right, that's what
Oh, wait, what are we getting charged?
What do we have in here? A
Just
shirt?
the shirt. Just that one. And then the rest of the stuff is mine.
And then what?
The rest of the stuff is mine.
Excuse me, I had to go to the bathroom really bad.
You? Yeah.
Excuse me?
All right, stand by. I can take you in a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Place the shirt in her handbag. Yeah, this blue shirt, and that's her ID.
What is your phone number?
I don't have one.
Sure, do you have a phone number? How old are you?
19.
This one has to use the restroom. I can take her if you want me to. Or,
Is it that urgent?
Yeah, I gotta go really bad.
If you don't mind.
yeah, I don't mind. All right, you come with me.
Let me go with her.
Can you put my pants on, please? Like,
Hold them down.
No, they're not.
What's the total?
He's getting it right now.
But you guys are going to prosecute total
Yeah.
25?
Yeah. What that mean? Go to jail? Go to jail. That's what that mean? That's what they saying?
Hey, let me finish. So if you guys haven't been charged with retail theft in the past and you have a address here in the county,
Yeah.
we're probably going to give you what's called a notice to appear. So you're going to have a court date. All right?
Okay.
So chances are you're not going to jail, but we still got to look into that.
Alright, that's fine.
How old are you?
18.
Yeah.
18?
$35.10.
35 and 10 cents.
Damn. Shit add up quick.
And your friend, the one that went to the bathroom, she's 18 or older?
She's 17. Do I have to sit in these cuffs, bro? It's so uncomfortable. Do I have to sit in the cuffs? It's so uncomfortable. Well, I'm not even a criminal. I'm not even a felon or nothing. They ain't gonna do nothing to y'all.
You committed a crime.
That's not a felony.
But it's a crime.
But
Still criminal.
I get it, yeah.
The cuffs aren't made to be comfortable. Now, I'll bring you back. Just want to inform you. So you guys are under arrest, but like I said, you're most likely getting NTAs, which is coordinated. Which means you're not going to county jail tonight unless we find reason to take you to county jail.
Oh, okay. So we're going in the car? No. They gonna let us go. Oh,
I'm going to try to call your mom, okay?
Wait, officer.
Yeah.
You gonna have to call her on my phone because she has the thing where random numbers can't call her. It's not gonna go through.
Hi, this is Officer Fender with the Boynton Beach Police Department. I want to let you know that your daughter has been placed under arrest for retail theft. She stole items that did not belong to her. With that being said, I need you to come to the Walmart so we can release her to you.
Are you married, single, divorced?
I know I'm gonna change over to summer, I promise.
What color hair do you normally have?
It's like a black and brown and it's red, yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you out of cuffs, I'm gonna have you sign this, then I'm gonna have to wait you outside. Okay, you can wait for them. Just wait outside.
Raise your right hand for me. State your name, date of birth. Everything you told me today is truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Correct.
All right, thank you. So I'm going to release you to your mom, okay?
First and last one, yeah.
Let her know where it's sitting in front of the house.
Probably.
If it's that serious, we'll buy it.
Yeah.
If it's that serious, we'll pay for it. They want us to do that.
Means you're not going to county jail tonight unless we find reason to take you to county jail.
Oh, okay. So we're going in the car? No. They gonna let us go. Oh, God. What did we do? Wait. Okay, what did we do?
Well, if I end up on TikTok, I'm gonna get mad. I'll be mad.
Miranda versus Arizona requires officers to advise 4 rights before interrogation. The right to silence, that statements can be used against the subject, the right to counsel, and the right to appointed counsel. The advisement here omitted the right to counsel, providing grounds to suppress every post-warning statement the subjects made. Despite the warning, subjects made voluntary admissions that established criminal intent on the record, forfeiting the only protection Miranda had just extended to them. Under Terry versus Ohio, the stop required only reasonable, articulable suspicion, a threshold already satisfied by loss prevention surveillance before officers made contact. Under Illinois versus Gates, documented concealment and coordinated exit movement constituted independent probable cause prior to any officer's direct observation. The searches were valid under Chimel versus California as searches incident to arrest, authorizing a warrantless search of the arrestee's persons and any containers within their immediate control. The defense that the concealing subject never personally took merchandise fails under Florida Statute 812015, which independently criminalizes knowingly assisting in the concealment of stolen goods. That statute attaches equal criminal exposure to every participant, regardless of their specific role. There is no legally safe position in a coordinated retail theft scheme. The officer correctly explained that recording in publicly accessible spaces is protected under the First Amendment, a right the 11th Circuit has explicitly affirmed for retail environments open to the public. Officers issued notices to appear under Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.125 rather than making custodial arrests, preserving access to first offender diversion under Florida Statute 775082. A 17-year-old triggered parental notification under Florida Statute 985101 and the Juvenile Adjudication Track under Chapter 985, which carries far fewer long-term consequences than adult conviction. Office offender receives a B+ for proper Miranda timing, a proportionate notice to appear, an accurate First Amendment explanation, and compliant juvenile notification. falling short of an A only because omitting the right to counsel creates a direct suppression risk. All 3 subjects receive a D, the adults for post-Miranda admissions that established criminal intent on the record, and the juvenile for disclosing stolen merchandise voluntarily after being warned of her right to silence. First lesson. The right to silence is most protective when a situation seems manageable, which is exactly when suspects most often abandon it. Speaking after Miranda almost never helps. Second lesson. An abbreviated Miranda warning is not a shortcut. It is a suppression motion waiting to be filed by the first defense attorney who reads the Bodycam transcript. Third and fourth, Florida Statute 8-12-015 eliminates every safe role in a coordinated shoplifting scheme, and loss prevention surveillance predating police contact constitutes independent probable cause built entirely on video. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.